I hope this doesn't happen again. We're going to do everything we can to make sure it doesn't happen again.
The families of children impacted by the massive E. coli outbreak hitting Calgary daycares will receive financial assistance from the province. It's a first of its kind one-time payment announced by Premier Danielle Smith in her first address since the outbreak began a week and a half ago.
We wanted to make sure that if there were additional financial pressures, that we could give a compassionate payment to assist them with that.
The number of confirmed cases continues to climb, with 337 cases as of Friday, 26 of those a secondary transmission case. However, hospitalizations have stabilized, with 12 in hospital, 6 of those on dialysis, and 10 confirmed to have hemolytic uremic syndrome, a severe illness caused by the infection. The magnitude of the situation prompting an emotional response from the Premier.
It's unimaginable pain, and I'm heartbroken by what these families are going through.
The central kitchen where the outbreak is most likely to have come from is closed indefinitely, with Premier Smith saying a review will be done to ensure that something like this won't happen again.
We have to bring new regulations and new standards around all central kitchens that serve child care centres. So we've started that investigation already. We've started that review, and I'll be looking to my Minister of Children and Family Services, Cyril Turton, to bring forward any suggested changes that we have. But we want to act swiftly.
Food handling facilities are inspected yearly, but previous violations in that kitchen meant the facility saw 5 visits in 2023 before it was closed.
Violations had previously been identified. There were concerns about this facility, and our public health inspectors more than doubled their visits.
The Premier says regulatory changes could include allowing the Chief Medical Officer of Health to close a facility if it is of concern.
If he doesn't have the authority to close a kitchen and keep it closed, I certainly don't have the authority to close it and keep it closed. Someone should have that authority.
The daycares have since opened, but the province is working to identify spaces in new facilities for parents who aren't comfortable returning there. In Calgary, Jillian Code, City News.